Are you happy that there are now gadgets that can keep your kids busy so that you can focus on doing your work? At the same time, do you sometimes feel guilty about not being able to impose screen time on your kids? Now, knowing that those gadgets are taking over your home, especially your bonding times, do you wish that there's something better that you can do? Hi, this is Mommy and your Mommy Negosyo. And in this video, I'd like to talk about a topic that's very close to my heart and also close to every businesswoman's heart as well. And that is balancing business and family. You see, your journey toward being a successful business owner doesn't have to mean sacrificing precious moments with your loved ones. You can start exploring the art of harmonizing the vital roles in your life, right? Are you ready? Just like what I went through in my 40 years as a businesswoman, the roles you play as a mother, a daughter, a sibling, and a business owner are interconnected. They are interconnected and they are equally significant. Although it's super challenging, achieving balance is not only possible but also essential for your overall well-being. Remembering those turbulent times in my life, how I wish there was a mommy negosyo for me when I was your age, so that I would not have committed the mistakes I made that led to lots of painful experiences later. This is why I'm committed to being your mommy negosyo. I'm here to help you uncover the strategies for harmonizing these different roles successfully. So first of all, let's talk about prioritizing your roles. Each role you play, whether it's nurturing your family or nurturing your business, deserves your full attention and your loving care. So, define your priorities clearly and allocate your time and your energy accordingly. Remember, it's okay to seek help or to delegate tasks so that you can maintain the balance in your life. You know, a bunch of studies have shown that people who can handle all their different roles without getting too stressed out are way happier and more satisfied with life. So, happiness and satisfaction. That's something that we all want, right? So from now on, in everything that we do, let's work toward just that, balance. And let's start with point number 2, effective time management. Time is your most valuable resource. I might sound like a parrot repeating the same thing again and again, but I just can't say this often enough. You can always earn back money that's lost, but the clock can never go back for time that you have wasted. So to achieve business success, isn't it wiser to invest some money in people, in things and activities that can save you time, especially time for your family and for you? There are lots of time management techniques to make the most of your day. I have many other videos about time management that you can check out. What you need to remember though is to embrace time management and create a schedule that accommodates your family commitments while ensuring that you still have dedicated business hours. A long time ago, I learned this cool method called the Pomodoro technique for managing time. Basically, the way it works is you work in 20-minute chunks, focusing super hard on one task at a time. And to keep track of the time, you set a timer for 20 minutes. When the timer goes off, you take a short break before diving into another 20-minute block. Easy peasy, right? If you want to know more, just Google it. There are so many resources on the net about the Pomodoro technique. Now, what I found, however, was that the focus time of 20 minutes was different for each person. When it comes to laser focus, I need about 15 minutes just to fully get in the zone. So if I take a break after 20 minutes, I've got to warm up all over again and waste another 15 minutes before I can be productive again. That's why for me, I don't use the 20-minute mark. I prefer to go for 2 hours straight instead. So I set 2-hour timers and not 20-minute timers. So one of my mentors, however, feels that 20 minutes is too long for him. And so his timer is set for only 15 minutes. So the lesson here I want you to learn is that you need to observe what works for you and schedule your block times accordingly. The important thing here is to get into the habit of focusing on tasks. In short, productive bursts to increase your productivity. This is so that you'll have quality family time and so that you will be there. You can be there when your family needs you. Know too that it's not all about your family and your business. Remember that the most important person in all of these is you. This is why my point number 3 is about boundaries and self-care. Without taking care of yourself like any machine, you will soon wear out and break down. And that breakdown will surely be detrimental to your business, but most of all, to your family. So how do we do self-care? Well, start by establishing clear boundaries between your roles. Communicate with your family about your business hours and when you're available for them. Additionally, prioritize self-care to recharge your energy. We women need time for our regular beauty parlor pampering and even a massage, right? Of course, getting a completely good night's sleep is a must. A well-rested and balanced you can surely perform better and can even excel in both family and business activities. If your business is in your home, make sure you create a designated workspace at home to physically separate your business and your family life. Meet Tonette. Tonette is an entrepreneur who once struggled with balancing her roles. After listening to my podcast, she told me that she started to prioritize and set boundaries. Now, I was so pleased when she recounted how she not only grew her business, but also strengthened her family relationships, especially with her mom before she died. Now, her journey demonstrates that balance is achievable and it is fulfilling as well. Tonette's experience proves that balancing business and family can lead to personal growth and even to business success. To recap, here's your path to balancing business and family. Prioritize your roles and allocate time wisely. Master effective time management techniques and establish boundaries and practice self-care. Now, if you're eager to achieve a harmonious balance between your business and family life, I invite you to join my free newsletter. You'll receive exclusive insights and tips tailored to women entrepreneurs just like you. Just click the newsletter link below to subscribe and let's embark on this journey of balance together. By balancing your roles effectively, you're not just succeeding in business, you're nurturing your family and your own well-being as well. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, stay inspired, stay empowered, and keep reaching for your dreams. Again, this is Mommy N, your Mommy Negosyo, saying, be business-minded, Pinoy.